With Ramzan here, it's time for warm, comforting treats to break your fast. Today we are making soft and delicious honeycomb bread filled with creamy goodness, perfect for iftar. Let's get started. First we activate the yeast. In a bowl combine warm water, warm milk and the sugar. Add the yeast and give it a stir. And let it sit for about 10 minutes until it becomes frothy. This step ensures a soft and fluffy dough. Next, in a large mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour and milk powder. Once the yeast is activated, pour it into the flour mixture. Mix everything well together using your hands and start kneading a dough. Now add around 1/4 cup of oil and knead the dough. You will want to knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough becomes soft, smooth and elastic. This helps develop the gluten for that perfect fluffy texture. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest in a warm place for about an hour or until it doubles in size. Once the dough has risen beautifully, punch it down to release any air bubbles and divide it into equal portions to create small dough balls. Now for the best part, the filling. Flatten each piece of dough and place the cream cheese in the center and carefully seal the edges. Roll it into a smooth bowl. Arrange the filled dough balls close together in a greased baking pan to form a honeycomb pattern. Brush the dough with egg wash for a beautiful golden crust and sprinkle some sesame seeds on top for that extra flavor and crunch. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 15 minutes or until golden brown and beautifully puffed up. Look at that golden perfection. For an extra touch of softness, you can brush the warm bread with a little butter. And there you have it, soft, fluffy honeycomb bread with a deliciously creamy center. A perfect treat to enjoy with tea or coffee after a long fast. This is an amazing addition to your iftar table and your family will love it.